you look at these shingles here, you can see how with the storm they degranulated the shingles. And right here is like a nail pop. These are little things that you can't actually see when you're on the ground. People think just because there's shingles on the roof that the roof didn't get impacted by the storm. This right here is an original tear from the storm. These are the shovels that they use to loosen the shingles. This material here is the peel and stick that we'll eventually put over the wood deck. We use peel and stick down here in Florida on the whole roof, not felt paper. It actually serves as a secondary water barrier, and the customers get a break on their insurance because we use that.